Good evening, everybody. I'm Thiago Bears, the Daily Trader. It is October 10th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX, up 1.09. That's 3.48%, closed at 32.45. The VIX is going higher. Let me make an adjustment on this. This was a downward resistance, but now it became support. We crossed it Friday, and we are moving even higher today. And here we are trying to cross back 33.44. We are trying to cross it back a little bit. This is still resistance. The VIX is maintaining itself quite high, so this is not good for the stock market. When the VIX is going up, the stock market is going down. This is the ground rule. And in terms of indicators, all of our indicators here are telling us that the trend is still on with the VIX. This is still a bullish trend with the VIX. Things are still going up with the VIX. Let's look at Dow Jones right here. Again, we are staying very close to this downward support today. All of the indicators are in the tank. The only thing that is holding us where we are right now is this support right here. This support's right here, and we could also argue that maybe there's a horizontal support right there. Yeah, look at that here. So we have, this is really detailed, the technical analysis, but we have a small support at 28,974 right here. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Yeah, this is where we are at. Support is holding. We cannot say anything else than that. If we break support, then we are going to be able to short. And if we break resistance, then we are going to buy a short and a buy. And when it's in the middle like this, we just have to wait. Let's go see the S&P 500. So S&P 500 is a little bit worse. I was talking about 36.19. We broke it. We still have a little bit of a wick at the bottom right here. The buyers push it back up. So we broke it. It's not the cleanest break in the world, but it's still a break. And for my part, I'm already in with a put on SPX. So because of this break, if we analyze it with a little bit more detail, we have reached pretty much exactly the same low we had on the 1 hour chart on Friday, September 30th at 3:30. So we touched the same support right here. I would have liked us to go a little bit lower and maybe stay a little bit lower because of this support right here. And we are bouncing on it a little bit, but we are also bouncing back down from 36.19 with 3 wicks right here at the top. So showing that there's still nice selling pressure. So hopefully my put is going to work. If we start going back above 36.19, I'm going to feel a little bit uneasy, but I'm also going to look at stochastic. If we go back above 36.19, like we did today, with no stochastic, I won't believe the move back up, so then I'll stay in it. I'll need to see some movement up and stochastic over 60 or a bigger move up so that I don't want to suffer too much of a loss. So yeah, this is how I am going to play it. So we'll see if it works. Let's look at the Nasdaq Composite. Look at this. Smack on the support with the body, but we have the wick that went down a little bit. This is giving me hope that maybe things are starting to crack and support is going to fail. I just want support to fail because I'm shorted. A lot of indecision in the market today. Let's see what the rest of the week is going to show us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.